Good morning, everyone. Welcome back to maths class. Hope you all are fine. Students, today I will continue exercise 9A. Okay? Yes, Bhavya?
मैम मुझे तो एक क्वेश्चन नहीं समझ आया।
Which question?
मैम सिक्स्थ।
Sixth question.
मैम यस।
Yes, tell me what is the problem in this question? Where you have faced the problem?
मैम when loss is equal to loss upon s 3 point cost price multiply 100.
The question is find out the loss percentage. Sixth question is not simply based on loss. Read the question very carefully. The question is based on find his profit or loss percentage. It means अगर आपको प्रॉफिट हो रहा है तो प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज फाइंड करो. बट हमें इस क्वेश्चन में क्या हो रहा था भव्या? In this question,
मैम कैन यू
in this question we will face what? We will face profit or we will face loss in this question. In sixth question.
मैम loss
Loss.
loss
It means we will apply the loss percentage formula. Because the question is based on loss percentage, it means we will apply the loss percentage formula. Loss percentage formula is loss over cost price multiplied by 100. This is the formula. By read again question. Find his loss percentage. The question is not only based on loss. The question is based on loss percentage, and we will face the loss of 50 rupees. And cost price is 6450 multiplied by 100 and 0 cut.
0 कर
But after cancellation I explained division twice. जो मैंने यहाँ पे डिवीजन की थी वो तो मैंने
मैम 129
हाँ बस वो बस इसको ऐसे करना है. Why? Because the question is based on loss percentage. This is the question. Okay.
थैंक यू मैम।
Now come to the seventh question. Seventh question is Joy bought pens at rupees 120 a dozen. A dozen. What is the meaning of a dozen? A dozen means 12 pens, not one pen. This, yes, very good, Myra. A dozen. Dozen, this word stands for 12 pens. It means rupees 120 is the cost of 12 pens. So what is given to you? Cost of 12 pens is equal to rupees 120. Rupees 120 is not a cost of one pen. No, this is the cost of a dozen pen. Okay, so cost of 12 pens. Now from this, first of all, we will find the cost of one pen. Cost of one pen. Now tell me, how can you find the cost of one pen? The cost of 12 pens given to you, rupees 120. What is the cost of one pen? I am waiting for your responses. Nishtha. Yes, Myra, answer is correct. We will divide. So, 120 divided by 12. To find the cost of one thing. When the question is 12 pens cost given to you and you will find the cost of one pen. In this case, you will divide 120 by 12. Now, rupees 10. After division, rupees 10 is the cost price of one pen. So we will use this cost, not 120. When we solve the question, we will use this cost price. We will not use this. We will use this. Next. He sold it for rupees 15 each. Each means one. Each word is used for one. So selling price of one pen is equal to rupees 15. Now tell me, cost price is 10, selling price is 15. You will face what in this question? Very good, Smriti Dev. We will face profit, as selling price is bigger than cost price. So we will face profit. Apply the formula. Selling price minus cost price. So 15 minus 10 is equal to rupees 5. Is equal to rupees 5. Now, the question is not finished here. First of all, note down this thing, then we will proceed further. Note down. So read your question very, very carefully. In this question, the cost of dozen is given. Dozen means 12 pens. So first of all, you will find the cost of one pen by division. So rupees 10. Now, the question is based on find the profit or loss percentage. Here, we will face profit. It means we will find the profit percentage. Now, next step is to find the profit percentage. Profit percentage. Tell me the formula of profit percentage. What is the formula of profit percentage? Mehak, tell me the formula of profit percentage.
Ma'am, profit over cost price multiply 100.
Multiplied by 100.
मैम मैंने पूछना था मैम, और जो आपने पहले 6th क्वेश्चन कराया था मैम, मैंने क्लास लेट ज्वाइन की थी मैम, वो मुझे
6th question we have already done yesterday. 6th question आज नहीं बेटा मैंने करवाया, वो किसी बच्चे ने कुछ पूछना था तो मैं उसको बता रही थी. 6th question we have done yesterday in detail.
Okay ma'am.
Now tell me, Mehak, why we didn't apply the formula of loss percentage here? Why in this question profit percentage formula is applicable?
Ma'am, because what is his profit percentage?
नहीं, वही तो मैं आपसे पूछ रही हूँ. Why मैंने यहाँ पे लॉस परसेंटेज का फॉर्मूला क्यों नहीं लिखा, प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज का फॉर्मूला क्यों लिखा है? Why? This is my question, ना? Why we apply profit percentage here, not loss percentage?
Selling price बढ़ा है. मैम selling price में.
Because in this question.
मैम selling price बढ़ा है.
In this question, we will face profit. This is the reason. In this question, we will face profit. हमें profit हो रहा है. That's why we apply the profit percentage. Okay, this is the reason.
Thank you, ma'am.
Okay. Now put the values. What is profit? 5. What is cost price? 10 multiplied by 100. Now do the cancellation. 0, 0 cut. So 50%. This is your result. Profit percentage. If the question is based on percentage, then in the end, this percentage sign is compulsory. Otherwise, your half marks will be cut. If the question is based on simple profit, then the rupees symbol is compulsory. symbol of rupees is compulsory. But if the question is based on percentage, then in the end, this percentage sign is very much compulsory. So note down. After that, we will start 8th question. After writing this, write down in the chat box, we have done. Very good. Now come to the 8th question. Stop writing better. Listen to me very carefully. After that, I will give you time for writing. Stop writing. 8th question is, Simi bought a study table for rupees 9,000. It means rupees 9,000 is the cost price of a study table. She sold it at a profit of 20%. This is very important. Cost price is given to you rupees 9,000 and profit is equal to 20%. This is given to you percent. It means this profit is not of rupees. This profit is of percentage. This percentage sign will indicate that. Now, if profit is equal to rupees 20, if profit is equal to rupees 20, it means the formula is selling price minus cost price. Now, try to understand this concept very carefully. This symbol will tell you the question is based on simple profit or profit percentage. Percentage sign is given. It means this profit is not the profit of rupees. This profit is of percentage. Percentage wala profit hai ye. Now, next is how much profit did she make? Profit तो वो हमसे पूछ रहा है. Profit is equal to question mark. Now tell me, in this question, percentage is given to you. Percentage is given. Now, which formula is applicable here? Simple profit formula we will apply here, or profit percentage formula we will apply here? We will apply which formula? As percentage is given. As percentage is given to us, so tell me which formula you will apply. Percentage वाला formula लगाओगे या simple profit वाला formula लगाओगे? Very good, Harman. Well done. Yes. Very good, Mehak. Well done. Yes. We will apply the percentage formula. Why? Because percentage is given. To apply the formula, profit percentage is equal to profit over CP multiplied by 100. I am again repeating. बेटा आपने ये देखना है आपको क्या गिवन है. आपको रुपीज वाला प्रॉफिट गिवन है कि परसेंटेज वाला प्रॉफिट गिवन है. अगर आपको रुपीज वाला प्रॉफिट गिवन है तो आप सिंपल फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करोगे, सेलिंग प्राइस माइनस कॉस्ट प्राइस. बट इफ परसेंटेज वाला प्रॉफिट इज गिवन टू यू, परसेंटेज वाला, तो आप फिर सिंपल प्रॉफिट वाला फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं करोगे, यू विल अप्लाई द परसेंटेज फॉर्मूला, प्रॉफिट ओवर सीपी मल्टीप्लाइड बाय 100. नाउ पुट द वैल्यू, प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज, ये देखो आपको गिवन है ये परसेंटेज, प्रॉफिट परसेंटेज, तो आपको ये गिवन है 20%, तो इसके प्लेस पे आप क्या लिखोगे, 20 इज इक्वल टू प्रॉफिट क्वेश्चन मार्क, so P cost price 9,000 multiplied by 100. Now tell me, how can we solve this sum? How can we solve this sum? Divya. Very good, Smriti Dev. Very good response. Divya, how can we solve this sum?
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Divya, how can we solve this sum?
Ma'am, please repeat.
How can we solve this sum? This is given now. 20 is equal to
Ma'am, yes.
profit over
Yes.
9,000 multiplied by 100. Now tell me, how can we solve this?
Ma'am, 1 minute.
Very good, Mehak. Beta, you know? Say yes or no.
Ma'am, first we will find percentage.
नहीं, percentage we will not find. Percentage is given. हमें पहले से ही given है percentage, तो हम find क्यों करेंगे? हमें 20% क्वेश्चन में पहले से ही परसेंटेज गिवन दिया हुआ है उसमें, तो हम फाइंड करेंगे ही नहीं. मैंने आपको ये पूछा, इसको कैसे सॉल्व करेंगे? यू नो, से यस और नो.
Ma'am, yeah.
टेल मी. बेटा डोंट वेस्ट टाइम, अगर आपको आता है बोलो, नहीं आता तो आई विल एक्सप्लेन. Now, look here. 0, 0, cut. So 20 is equal to P over 90. 0, 0, cut. To find P, you will shift this 90 to the left hand side. And when you will shift this 90 to the left hand side, division will change to multiplication. This is the rule of shifting. 20 multiplied by 90 is equal to profit. So rupees 1800 is your profit. ये हमने रुपीज वाला प्रॉफिट फाइंड किया, बिकॉज ये जो प्रॉफिट होता है ना, ये वाला, ये कौन सा प्रॉफिट होता है? रुपीज वाला. तो ये देखो, ये अभी हमने फाइंड किया. Cancellation, 0, 0, cut. To find P, you will shift this 90 to the left hand side. And when you will shift this 90 to the left hand side, both the numbers will multiply. So profit is equal to rupees 1800. Now next is, now the question is not finished. No. What is the selling price? Note down this thing, then we proceed further. Now, the next is find the selling price. Now, you know the cost, you know the profit. Now tell me the formula of selling price. आपको कॉस्ट प्राइस भी पता है, आपको प्रॉफिट भी पता चल गया. हाउ कैन यू फाइंड द सेलिंग प्राइस? टेल मी द फॉर्मूला ऑफ सेलिंग प्राइस. वेरी गुड हरमन. प्रॉफिट प्लस कॉस्ट प्राइस. प्रॉफिट इज रुपीज 1800. Cost price is rupees 9,000. So rupees 10800. So this is the way to solve the sum. बेटा यहाँ पे 20 मत लिख देना. ये जो प्रॉफिट है ये परसेंटेज वाला प्रॉफिट नहीं है, ये रुपीज वाला प्रॉफिट है. इस फॉर्मूले में ये जो प्रॉफिट होता है ना, ये रुपीज वाला प्रॉफिट होता है. तो यहाँ पे 20% वाला मत यूज कर लेना, रुपीज वाला करना जो अभी आपने फाइंड किया है. ये जो हमने फाइंड किया है ये रुपीज वाला प्रॉफिट है, और इस फॉर्मूले में आपने ये रुपीज वाला प्रॉफिट यूज करना है. वो 20% नहीं करना, वो परसेंटेज वाला है. तो दिस इज द वे टू सॉल्व द सम. Yes, yes, Samriti, the result is 10800. Very good. Write down. So, बेटा आपने इन क्वेश्चन में सिर्फ एक बात का ना ध्यान रखना है. चेक वेरी वेरी केयरफुली व्हाट इज गिवन. रुपीज वाला परसेंटेज इज प्रॉफिट इज गिवन या परसेंटेज वाला प्रॉफिट इज गिवन. If the percentage is given, then you will apply the formula of percentage. If rupees profit is given, then you will apply the formula of rupees. This is the formula of rupees, but this is the formula. This formula, if the percentage is given to you. So read your question very, very carefully. You all have done this question? Now, come to the 9th question. Come to the 9th question. Disha.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Tell me how can you solve the 9th question? What is given in the 9th question?
Ma'am, cost price.
Read your 9th question, beta. Read 9th question.
Find the selling price if the cost price is rupees 500 and loss percent is 25.
Loss percent. Loss percent is 25%. Now tell me, this is percentage. So you will apply which formula here? Selling price is question mark. Tell me. Loss percentage is given to you. Now tell me, out of these two formula, loss is CP minus SP and loss percentage is loss over CP multiplied by 100. Tell me, out of these two formulas, you will apply which formula here?
Ma'am, second wala.
So why you will not apply first wala? What is the reason? Tell me the reason. Your answer is correct, second wala, but what is the reason? Tell me the reason. Because maths is based on reason. Tell me, what is the reason why we will apply second formula here, not first formula? Students who want to give the reply of my question, raise your hands. Angel, please. Yes.
Good morning, ma'am.
Good morning. Angel, why we will apply this formula here?
Ma'am, because loss percentage is given to us.
Very good. Well done. This is the reason, because loss percentage is given. It means we will apply percentage वाला formula. हम ये रुपीज वाला फॉर्मूला है, ये थोड़े ना अप्लाई करेंगे क्योंकि रुपीज वाला लॉस तो हमें गिवन ही नहीं है. दिस इज द रीजन. वेरी गुड. वेल डन.
Thank you, ma'am.
So now apply formula. Loss percentage. This is formula. Loss percentage is loss over CP multiplied by 100. Now loss percentage is given to you. This percentage is given to you 25. So here you will write 25. Loss over CP 1200 multiplied by 100. Now, how can we solve this sum? Harkirat. Agreed. Yes, Myra, definitely I will upload the lecture. Agreem, how can we solve this sum? Nischay.
Yes, ma'am.
Very good. Agreem, सो तो नहीं गई कहीं? मैं कब से आपको अनम्यूट कर रही हूँ, वीडियो भी ऑफ है. हाँ जी निश्चय बोलो. टेल मी हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व दिस सम?
मैम मैम 20 एग्जाम पर एल लिखा है मैम, वहाँ पर 25 मैम, नीचे 1200 मैम, ऊपर 100.
नहीं बेटा, जहाँ पे एल लिखे वहाँ पे हम 25 लिख ही नहीं सकते. ये एल तो रुपीज वाला एल है. हमें ये जो एल है ये सिंपल लॉस है. ये रुपीज वाला है. तो हम यहाँ पे रुपीज थोड़ी ना हमें गिवन है, परसेंटेज वाला गिवन है. मैंने कर दिया पुट. परसेंटेज वाला गिवन है तो परसेंटेज के प्लेस पे लिखेंगे हम. मैं आपसे ये पूछ रही हूँ, हाउ कैन वी सॉल्व दिस सम?
मैम बाय कटिंग.
हाँ जी, वेरी गुड. 0 0 0 0. So after that we have 25 is equal to L by 12. Okay. Now tell me. Again 0 0 cut now. After cutting we have left with this thing. Now how can we solve this? You want L now?
Ma'am.
You want L.
Yes, ma'am.
Tell me. This question is same
By the
as the previous question.
By the formula of CP.
बेटा कैसे सीपी? फॉर्मूला तो हमने लगा दिया. आपने इससे प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन मैंने कैसे करवाया? प्रीवियस क्वेश्चन चेक करो अपना. मैंने यहाँ प्रॉफिट कैसे फाइंड करवाया? ये सेम है क्वेश्चन, बस इतना फर्क है वो प्रॉफिट का था, ये लॉस का है. मेथड इज सेम. बताओ मुझे, ये यहाँ तक हम आ गए, यहाँ से ये एल कैसे आएगा? वेरी गुड स्मृति देव, वेल डन. Yes, Karthik. Yes, how can you solve this? How can you find the value of this L?
Ma'am, L is equal to 25 multiplied 12.
Very good. हमें L फाइंड करना है. To find L, we will shift this 12 to the left hand side, and when you will shift this, after shifting 12 will change to multiplication. This is a rule of algebra. According to me, you have already done this concept in class 4th. Whenever the question is to find something, तो उसके पार्टनर को हम सेकंड साइड शिफ्ट करते हैं. जब हम शिफ्ट करते हैं तो दैट पार्टनर will change the sign, will change their sign, na? So L divided by 12, L divided by 12. So when you will change, when you will shift this 12 to the left hand side, this division will change to multiplication. So 25 multiplied by 12 is equal to L. This question is same as previous question. Question number 8 and question number 9. Both are same questions. The difference is the 8th question is based on profit percentage and the 9th question is based on loss percentage. But the way to solve the sum is exactly same. So after multiplication, what you will get? Very good, Kinshal. So loss, we get rupees 300. We get rupees 300 as a loss. Now, cost is given, loss is given. How can you find the selling price? Tell me. Tell me. How?
CP minus loss.
Very good. CP minus loss. CP minus loss. ये बेटा जो हमने अभी लॉस फाइंड किया ही इसलिए है क्योंकि हमने एंड में जाके फॉर्मूला अप्लाई करना है. नाउ सीपी, सीपी आपको पहले से गिवन था 1200. लॉस आपने अभी फाइंड किया 300. तो आंसर कितना आया? रुपीज 900. सो दिस इज द वे टू सॉल्व द सम. यस
900.
यस.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you, ma'am.
Today, Samriti Dev is the star of the class. Clap for Smriti. Very good response in all the questions. Well done, Smriti. So this is the way to solve the sum. First of all, check that what is given. Check करो बेटा आपको given क्या है. Now come to the next. Come to the 10th question. In the 10th question, Mahir bought 20 refills and sold them at rupees 4 each. So, if it cost rupees 50 for the refills, so cost price is equal to rupees, what is rupees 50. Selling price is equal to. Now tell me, how can we find the selling? What is the selling price? I am waiting for your responses. Write down in the chat box. What is the selling price? No. Beta, again read your question. Cost rupees 50 for the refills. This is for the refills, not refill. Refills means 20 की cost है ये, 20 की. और जो आपको selling price given है rupees 50 for 20 refills. Yes. Mahir bought 20 refills and sold them rupees 4 each. Selling price rupees 4 each. Now anyone tell me one thing is different here. What is that? One thing is different here. Directly we will not apply the formula. Students who want to give the answer, raise your hands. One thing is different here. Balraj beta, raise your hand. Yes. Yes.
Yes.
You are Balraj?
No, I'm
Okay.
Bhavya.
Okay, fine. Okay. Yes. Balraj,
Good morning, ma'am.
good morning. Beta, one thing is different here. Tell me what? यहाँ पे हम डायरेक्ट फॉर्मूला नहीं अप्लाई कर सकते. यहाँ पे अभी प्रॉफिट इज इक्वल टू एसपी माइनस सीपी का फॉर्मूला अप्लाई नहीं हो सकता. व्हाई? व्हाट इज द रीजन?
Ma'am, CP multiply cost price multiply by selling price.
बेटा कॉस्ट प्राइस सेलिंग प्राइस को मल्टीप्लाई कैसे कर देगा? मैं आपको ये कह रही हूँ फॉर्मूला हम यही लगाएंगे, बट अभी ये फॉर्मूला यहाँ पे अप्लाई नहीं होना. व्हाट इज द रीजन? Yes, Chaitanya. If class disconnect beta, then we will continue this sum next week. Okay?
Yes.
हाँ
हम 4 को 20 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे.
हाँ क्यों करेंगे? What is the reason? Your answer is 100% correct. Why?
हम क्योंकि उसने क्या 4 रुपीस ईच के.
Very good. ये जो सेलिंग प्राइस है ये रुपीज ईच है. ईच मीन्स 1 का है. 1 रिफिल. बट कॉस्ट प्राइस आपको ये जो 50 गिवन है ये सभी का ही गिवन है. फॉर द रिफिल्स चेक. ये 1 का है, ये दोनों डिफरेंट है. ये 20 की कॉस्ट प्राइस है, ये 1 की सेलिंग प्राइस है. ऐसे सम नहीं कभी सॉल्व होता. दोनों सेम होने चाहिए. तो सेलिंग प्राइस ऑफ 20 रिफिल्स पहले हम ये फाइंड करेंगे. 4 multiplied by 20 rupees 80. Yes, very good Chaitanya, well done. This is the way to solve the sum. Read your question. Cost price is given to you what? 20 refills. But selling price is given to you for 1. So different nature. We are not able to solve the sum. First of all, you will find the